What happens if you were in a motorcycle accident in North Carolina and you were not wearing a helmet? Are you still eligible for compensation? To start, let's talk about North Carolina's motorcycle helmet law. In our state, all motorcycle riders and passengers are required to wear helmets that meet specific safety standards. This law aims to protect riders and reduce the risk of head injuries during accidents. Let's start with North Carolina's contributory negligence rule. North Carolina is one of 4 states that follow the archaic rule, which states that if the injured party is 1% at fault, they recover nothing. The at-fault driver and their insurance company do not pay for anything. They don't pay for damage to your bike, they don't pay for your medical bills, they don't pay for lost wages, and they don't pay for your injury. It's a devastating rule and needs to be changed, but that's for another day. Now let's say that the biker is not at fault, but it receives head injuries due to their failure to wear a helmet. Can they recover compensation for their head injuries? The answer is yes. North Carolina's contributory negligence rule only applies to the accident, not to the injuries received in the accident. Failure to wear a helmet is no different than not wearing a seatbelt in a car. Both can recover for their injuries, even if they would have been prevented if they were following the law. Now, does that mean that the insurance carrier or the jury, if the case goes to trial, is going to pay the full value for the injury? Maybe not. The insurance carriers seem to have a thing for bikers since they know that juries can be harsh on bikers that are injured in accidents and probably harsher when they're not wearing a helmet. Unlike most other states, North Carolina requires 12 jurors on a civil trial and requires a unanimous jury verdict. With that number of jurors, you are going to have a few who may hold a bias towards bikers and force a reduced award. With North Carolina's complex negligence and jury rules, it is essential that you seek legal advice. An experienced motorcycle accident injury lawyer in Charlotte can guide you, explain your rights, and help you make the right decisions. Consult a legal firm like Auger Auger, one of Charlotte's premier biker firms, to learn your rights and make sure that you're taking the right steps from the initial investigation and receiving top-notch medical care to receiving a maximum settlement for your injuries.